Indoor plants do more than just beautify a space. They purify the air, reduce stress, and bring a sense of calm to any room. But have you ever wondered, how do you go from drooping leaves and dull greenery to lush, thriving, vibrant houseplants that practically glow with life? The secret might be simpler than you think. Understanding the core needs. Let's start with the basics. Thriving indoor plants all rely on 4 key elements: light, water, soil, and humidity. Get this right, and your plants will reward you with rich, steady growth. But if even one of these is off, your plants could start to struggle. First, light. Not all plants need direct sunlight, but they all need some level of brightness. Whether it's a sunny windowsill or soft, filtered light through a sheer curtain, placement is everything. Too little light and your plants will stretch out, becoming leggy and weak. Then comes water. Overwatering is the #1 killer of houseplants. It may seem kind, but drowning the roots cuts off oxygen and leads to rot. The secret is balanced, consistent watering based on your plant's actual needs, not a fixed schedule. Soil is the foundation. Rich, well-draining potting mix is like a comfortable bed for your plants. It needs to hold moisture, but not too much, and be full of nutrients. And finally, humidity. Indoor air can be dry, especially in winter. Many tropical plants crave moisture in the air, and without it, their leaves dry out and tips turn brown. Neglecting just one of these core needs can stunt your plant's growth. But meet all 4, and you're well on your way to a green transformation. The game-changing method. Now here's the method that changed everything for me and could do the same for you. Bottom watering with consistent placement. Instead of watering from the top, try this. Place your plant pot in a shallow tray or bowl filled with a couple of inches of water. Let the plant sit and soak for 15 to 30 minutes. Through capillary action, the roots draw up just the right amount of moisture. No more, no less. This method avoids surface rot and allows the roots to stay healthy and strong. It also prevents those annoying fungus gnats that thrive in soggy topsoil. Plus, bottom watering encourages deeper root systems, which means a stronger, more resilient plant overall. Now pair this method with proper placement. Put each plant where it gets the light it loves. A snake plant near a low-light corner, a pothos by your bathroom window, or a tomato seedling where it can soak up that morning sun. When you combine smart watering with smart light, you create the ideal environment for plants to thrive. And here's a bonus. If you're growing juicy tomatoes indoors, bottom watering is a game changer. It reduces the risk of leaf spots and keeps the fruit full and hydrated from the inside out. Supporting habits for lasting results. To keep that lush growth going, here are a few easy habits that make a big difference. Rotate your plants every couple of weeks. This helps them grow evenly instead of leaning toward the light. Use a moisture meter if you're unsure when to water. It's more accurate than guesswork. Prune dead leaves regularly to help the plant redirect its energy to new growth. Fertilize once a month during the growing season using an organic, water-soluble fertilizer. Think of it as plant food to support their burst of energy. And if you're new to indoor gardening, start with low-maintenance champions like snake plants, pothos, ZZ plants, or spider plants. These beauties are forgiving, adaptable, and still bring that wild green touch to your space. With just a few small changes, any home can be transformed into a lush indoor oasis. Whether you're growing houseplants, herbs, or even tomatoes, the key is in creating balance. Light, water, care, and a little love. For more plant care strategies and inspiring greenery tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your green thumb growing. Happy planting!